Hello everyone and welcome back to module 1 of Bootstrap. So in this session we will be learning about Bootstrap Glyphicon. So let's begin. First we'll see what is Glyphicon, how it works and where we can use it and then some example of it. So let's begin. Glyphicons. Bootstrap includes 260 glyphs from the Glyphicon halfling set. Now, what is Glyphicon halfling set? These are the sets like dollar, cloud, heart, music. So these all icons which we see into day-to-day life on any kind of website or at any kind of web page which we see. So in that we see some cloud. If you want to hear some music or if the particular website is represent some kind of music, then you will be able to see music, search buttons, and all these particular icons you are able to see inside your web page. Now in Bootstrap we have classes designed for these glyphicons. So glyphicons are normally not available for free. So this all particular icons or glyphy icons are not available for free, but their creators have made them available for Bootstrap for free of cost. So only for Bootstrap classes these glyphicons are free of cost. Use glyphicons in text, buttons, toolbar, navigations or flags. So you can use this particular glyphicons in any kind of particular text. If you want to display any particular music in your text, so you can define that. If you want to perform any searches in search bar, so you can give this particular icon. Or if you want to make a movie or any particular, if you want to represent the address or address particular text box, so you can represent this particular sign. Or you want to print a document, you want to show the particular user that you are going to print a document or in such scenario, so you can use this glyphicon. So let's see the practical implementation of this. So simply we have taken the blank file and saved that file with .html extension. After that, we will write a simple HTML structure. Then giving title as Bootstrap Glyphicons. Okay. Then we'll copy the CDN links. Okay. After that, inside the body section, we will take one div, giving class as container. Inside which we will give one heading tag representing glyphicons or glyphicons examples. Simply we have taken one div inside which we have taken one more heading tag. After that, now I want to define a glyphicons inside my paragraph. So simply I'll write a paragraph that is P. Envelope icon I want to display. So envelope icon. Now all the glyphicons are displayed inside the span tag so that you can give a particular class for that. So inside a paragraph tag, we will mention a span tag in which we will give class as glyphicons. So to represent any kind of glyphicons inside your particular page or HTML page, you need to use the class as glyphicons. Then after that, again we have to write glyphy here only on. Again we have to write glyphicon dash. Now which particular symbol I want to display? So I want to display envelope. So I'll write simply envelope, save. We have to close this span tag and then paragraph tag close. Let's save and let's see the output. 1 second. Here I have done a spelling mistake, so it was not coming. Again I have corrected the mistake. Let's see now. So as you can see, my envelope has been displayed here. That is the icon envelope has been displayed here. Now, if you want to get all the other particular glycons, so how you're going to go? You have to go and visit Bootstrap, that is getbootstrap.com. You type glyphicons and then you will see all the 250 glyphicons available here. So you can choose any glyphicons from this and you can assign that particular part to your particular text button or anything. So for now, I'm just copy pasting this one paragraph again, and we will take any random such as this bell and just will copy paste this class here. Just we have to change the class, and here we will change as well. Save. It will reload. So as you can see, we have got bell. So likewise, you can make use of all the glyphicons in your particular HTML pages. So this particular part was a simple HTML and Bootstrap program which help us to identify how we can embed a glyphicons in your particular web page. I hope you have understood. Thank you.